Unit 9, Part B, Activity 3A. Copy the table into your notebook. Listen and write the similarities and differences of each category.
Hello, class. Please be quiet. Today, our lesson will be about the oceans and continents. Tim, do you know how many oceans and continents there are?
There are 5 oceans and 7 continents, teacher.
Good job. We've already learned about the oceans, so let's focus on the continents for now. Nicole, can you name them?
Yes, I can. The continents are Asia, Australia, Europe, South America, North America, Africa, and Antarctica.
Great! Now that we know the continents and the oceans, let's discuss the similarities and differences between them. Take a look at our whiteboard. What can you see?
Teacher, there are 5 boxes and each box has a title. They are animals, pressure, sunlight, size, and plants.
Very good, Tim. We know that there are marine and land animals. Can someone name some of them? Oh, and give me a similarity and a difference too.
Marine animals are like whales, sharks, jellyfish, fish, etc. Land animals are horses, leopards, ostriches, and lots more. The similarity is the fact that sea animals need food as much as land animals, but some eat plants and others eat smaller animals.
You're right, Sarah. Anything else that is similar about them?
Sea animals need as much oxygen as land animals, but their breathing methods aren't as similar as we might think. Sea animals use their gills or skin, and land animals use lungs.
Thank you, Nicole. Okay, let's move on to the pressure. Do you think they're the same?
Of course not. The pressure on land isn't quite as heavy as the deepest part of the ocean.
Yes. If you stood at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the weight of the pressure would crush your body completely. Anything else?
There's a similarity. Since the pressure decreases with height, it is pretty much the same. Standing on the ground or at the bottom of the ocean gives more pressure than when we fly high in the sky or swim near the surface of the ocean.
Okay, let's think about the sun. Do you think there's sunlight in the deep part of the ocean?
No, teacher. After some depth, the ocean can be as dark as the night sky, while sunlight can reach everywhere on land unless there's something to block it.
Wonderful! Next is about the size. What do you think the surface of Earth is mainly made of?
Water.
Yeah, even with all of the continents combined, they aren't as vast as the oceans. They both provide good environments for living creatures, though.
Yes, they do. The last one. What do you think is the main difference between plants on land and in the ocean? The marine plants can live in salt water for a long time, unlike the land plants.
Oh, teacher, I know a similarity. They both do photosynthesis. It means they need to convert sunlight into food, but ocean plants don't need as much sunlight as the plants on land. These two also convert carbon dioxide to oxygen, but land plants absorb it from the air, while marine plants absorb it from water.
That's a great detail, Nicole. All right, all of you have done a great job today. Take a short break and come back for your next class.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.